this is what we're looking like now. So I'm going to go ahead to moisturize my face just because I like my face looking really hydrated. I'm going to be using a mix of baobab oil, tea tree oil, as well as argan oil. To prime my face, I'm going to be using this primer, this matte and blur primer from Colourpop. So what I'm going to do now is that, can you just look at how I'm breaking out? I'm going to just conceal my dark spots using the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 9. So if you have dark circles, this would be the perfect time to just use a little bit of that concealer to just cover it up. So I'm going to just literally pat that in. So this is what we're looking like now. If you're someone who doesn't like using a lot of foundation, this would be the perfect fix for you. I feel like I already used like maybe 1 or 2 pumps of foundation on my face, but guys, we just literally spot concealed. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my stick foundation, and this one is from Juvia's Place. I love how stick foundations look on the skin. It just looks so flawless. This is in the shade Cameron. I'm literally using this amount, like I'm not using too much, just because we've already covered up our spots. What I'm trying to do now is to just even out my skin tone. Again, you don't need to layer on a lot of product on your face, because if you're someone doing like a full beat, you're going to go in with concealer, contour, powder, setting powder, and all of that. So you don't want to use too much. So this is what I'm looking like right now. It's not looking too cakey. It still looks very natural. So I'm going to go in with this high intensity skin sheen. It's like a liquid illuminator, and this one is from Switch Cosmetics. I'm going to use this on just here, the high point, and blend it out. So I'm going to go ahead to contour my face. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation in the shade Tunisia. I'm just going to put that. I'm going to just use the same blending sponge and just placing and blending it out like that. So this is what we're looking like. You guys can see like that bronze shadowy look right here. We're going to go ahead to blend it out as soon as we're done applying the highlight. So for my highlight, I'm going to be using stick foundation as well, just for my first layer. I'm going to be using just a little bit of it. I miss your body and I love you so, baby I do, oh yeah. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Alright, so I went in with my stick foundation from Black Opal, and this is in the shade Rich Caramel. I'm just using this to further highlight my face. I mean, I've been loving a lot of stick foundations lately. So to further highlight my face, just to take it up a bit, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrates Concealer in the shade C11.2. I'm just start applying it on my face. Like right there, picking up, and we're dispensing on our face. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Okay, so to set my under eyes, I'm gonna be using the translucent pressed powder from Revolution Pro. 'Cause baby I love you. This powder doesn't leave your face looking ashy. It just mattifies that area. So I'm going to be using this loose banana setting powder from Switch Cosmetics. I'm going to be using this to further set my under eyes as well as to highlight it. Right, I'm going to go ahead to do my brows off camera and then come back. So for my eyes, I'm thinking I want to try something colorful today. So I'm gonna use this splash palette from Zara right here. I'm gonna be using this pink shade and just see how it goes. I'm going in with the shade Rebel, this pink shade right here. I'm gonna be using this shade all over my lids. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Funk, this gold shade right here. Just place that on the inner corner right here. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. So I feel like the pink on my lids are just, I don't know, they're just blending out, they're not standing out. So I think I'm going to go in with this two palette. This one is from Mood Beauty. This is the Bootcap palette. This one is the Makeup Revolution's Forever Flawless palette right here. See, I'm going to use this pink shade right here from the Bootcap palette. The Bootcap palette. This is what I wanted. This was what I wanted. This is the Bootcap palette from Mood Beauty. I feel like this is a lot more pigmented, so we're going to use this one instead. Just going to pat that, yeah. Okay, so I think that this palette might just be my favorite palette in terms of payoff. This definitely is giving me that neon pink vibe. I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come. Okay guys, so I went ahead to apply my lashes and this is what I'm looking like. I'm gonna go in with this high intensity skin sheen. Just pop that on the high point of my face right here. Okay, so I think I want to go in with this shade, this 3 shades right here as my blush. Okay, so I think I want to smoke out my bottom lash. I'm going to be using this shade right here. This is Wahala and Savage. Just mix the two of them and apply that on my bottom lash line right here. Gotta be afraid. I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good. So this is what I'm looking like right now. I feel like I still need to blend this eye a little bit more. So I'm just going to dust off the excess powder underneath my eyes and then go off camera to fix my hair properly. See how that powder is just coming off so easy. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is the look that we just created right now. I'm definitely loving it. I'm such a huge fan of the Belly There foundation routine. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Feel free to subscribe. It is free. Stick around with me and let's just create looks, I guess. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay fabulous and stay blessed. Bye guys.